Okay, pull away. Let's see, did you get a big hunk off it? Yeah.
Want some more?
Is that good? So cute. I like that banana. Yummy. Right, not too much. There you go.
I'm trying to, but the head keeps going down. Hey.
Over here.
Come
Come on, monkey. Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, is that good? Oh, that's mine. That's mine. Hey, you can't eat everything.
What if I could?
Okay.
Aww. Kids are eating lunch together.
Yeah.
Yummies.
Okay, no more.
Alright. Oh? Alright, good night. This is Bailey's Fruit Escapades. Oh yeah, power to the apple.
So she can do this now.
Oh, look at you. Don't want to get it too deep there.
Okay, here we go.
You like that? She really get a little bite off it, didn't she? I don't want her to
Okay.
chop, bite off a hunk and swallow it.
She won't. She's only got 2 teeth.
She just got...
Oh, that's always been okay.
No, I just knocked her down her throat.
Well, that's where it's meant to go. As long as it didn't go up her bum, we're okay.
Yeah. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Where did that come from?
See, we
Did
got
not
it on,
come
we
from
got it on
anywhere.
video.
Can't give it anywhere, Snooks.
We're done with that. All right.
I'm a big girl.
What is that? Is that good? She's got a piece in her mouth.
She does not.
I can see it.
The tongue.
I can see it.
What? She's got a piece of...
Yeah.
Is that a good one?
That was a good one.
Was it a photograph?
I know, I'm videoing. Zoom! I'm distracting.
Keep your eye on the ball.
Keep your eye on the spoon.
Here you go.
Good job.
She's really doing a good job.
Take a big breath. Not bad. Good job, Dad.
Yummy.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
What are you reading?
We're reading I Love to Paint.
Oh, wow. Isn't that interesting?
It's very interesting.
How do we pick that book?
I don't know, Mommy gave it to us.
Yay.
He has to do his chores and then he has to paint. Brandon brought out his paint box. It was filled with brushes in every color of the rainbow.